Over the past couple of years, I've been really focused on losing weight, and I've been pretty successful with that, mostly just by reducing my calorie intake and light workouts like just walking around the neighborhood. But here lately, I've been focused on my overall health, which includes other things like more intense cardio and even strength training. I have tried going to the gym in the past, which is great, but it can be inconvenient if you don't have time to travel to the gym, or maybe you're just confused by all the different equipment and you really don't know where to begin. In this video, I'll be partnering with AEKE to take a look at the AEKE K1. This is the first AI-powered fitness system that I've ever used, and this has courses built right into it. It actually teaches you how to do the different workouts and routines. I feel like anybody could use this piece of equipment to improve their overall health. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that really stands out about the AEKE K1 is that it's powered by AI. So this isn't just a dumb piece of equipment. It's not just a solid piece of metal weight that you have to know the technique for lifting. It actually instructs you and it corrects you as you do the workout. So when you first turn this on, you do have the opportunity to do a full body assessment. This is able to weigh you, measure your body fat percentage. It can then do a scan of your posture. It can test your strength and test your cardio capabilities. With that assessment, the AI generates personalized workout routines where you can follow an AI-guided workout session. This is able to capture your motion in real time, providing feedback such as motion counting, real-time form correction, rep counting, and it even cheers you along as you go. It actually feels like you have a personal trainer right inside your home. Once you've completed your workout, this provides you with a comprehensive, detailed performance and progress report showing you how many calories were burned and the total amount of weight that was lifted. There are over 160 classes programmed into this system and over 280 movements. Maybe you just want to work out on your arms for the day. You can go into the movements and select strength training and then scroll down and find the arm movements. The AI coach will show you the movement in detail, and then you can just mirror their movements to perform the correct workout. What's great about this is I can get a legitimate full body workout, working out every single muscle in my body. With the smart grips, I can work out my triceps and my biceps and even my shoulders and back. I can even do squats. With the barbell, I'm able to do traditional squats. I can bench press. I can do military presses, and this system is able to provide 220 pounds worth of resistance. So you can do some serious strength training with this equipment. One thing that I really love about this is that changing the weight is as easy as pressing a button. You no longer have to go and fetch plates to put on the barbell. You just press a button to increase or decrease the weight. Another thing that I love about this is the safety feature, which allows you to press a button to activate and deactivate the weights. That way you can get your bar into position and then press the button to begin your workout. When you're done, press the button again to turn off the resistance. When you're using the smart grips, it really does feel like you're using metal dumbbells. When you're using the bar, it does feel like you're using a barbell and weight plates. When I'm doing strength training, I definitely feel like I have the benefit of an entire gym. Another great feature here are the different modes. So you have the constant mode, which gives you constant weight for the full lift. With the eccentric mode, this actually increases the weight as you're lowering it. The elastic mode simulates resistance bands. The more you stretch the band, the more resistance you get, just like with elastic bands. With concentric mode, the resistance is equal to the set weight during the lifting phase, but it's lower during the return phase. And then you also have the rowing mode. I don't have a lot of extra space for workout equipment in my home, so this is definitely the perfect fit. The AEKE K1 is super slim, and when it's folded up, it only takes up 0.3 square meters. When it's totally unfolded, it only takes up 0.9 square meters. So it doesn't take up a lot of space considering all the different workouts that you get. When I'm done working out, I can actually easily just slide this into my closet and it's totally out of the way. I absolutely love this large 43-inch 4K screen. It gives a totally immersive experience. Because of the mirrored screen, the coach that's on the screen actually looks like a floating hologram. It's really pretty cool. I love being able to see all the different information and feedback during my live workout session. It definitely helps me to improve my technique, and K1 definitely encourages me to keep going. My kids also love this machine. With that massive 43-inch screen, they love playing the included fitness games. I love that they're excited about getting into health and fitness right alongside me. I love the fact that this isn't just a boring piece of equipment. When you get tired of lifting weights and doing cardio workouts, you can actually turn on a game and get some of the same benefits. The AEKE K1 can connect to your phone via Bluetooth. It does have a very high quality speaker system built right into the machine, so you can listen to your favorite tunes while you're working out. Just another way to motivate you to work out. I really like how this piece of equipment doesn't require any permanent installation, and it's so easy to operate. You just click once to power it up and click another button to extend the foldable platform, and you're ready to go. Overall, I have to say, if you're looking for a full body workout, you no longer need tons of different equipment. You no longer have to have several pieces of equipment for cardio and several pieces of equipment for strength training. You no longer have to purchase courses to teach you how to do all that. Everything that you need is included in this one sleek, streamlined piece of equipment, and it's easy enough to operate that really anybody can get excited about their health. I'll be sure to include links in the description so you can find out more information about the AEKE K1 and purchase one for yourself. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.